Light. So today's topic is light. So let's start. So first of all, light is a form of energy which enables us to see things around us. Light makes things visible to us. We need light at all the time. Light has some properties also. So what does it tell is light is the, you can say, the most essential component of anyone to live. Beside the food and other natural things, after that, light is the most important things. So just tell me, when you enter a dark room, you can see the object around, right? But after switching on the light, do you see the objects? Yes. So now let's come to properties of light. Light has some special properties. So from here you have to write first. Light travels at a very high speed. Its speed is 3 lakh kilometers per second or 300,000 kilometers per second. So if you are sitting in a room, then you won't be able to recognize that the light has just passed 7 times in a second and you have not got it. So second you have to write is light travels much faster than sound. Then so that's why we say lighten before the thunder on a heavy rainy day. So it's raining over here, and when the thunder comes in, you can see the thunder comes before and then the sound of the light comes, right? So that is why light travels at a very high speed and it travels faster than sound. We use speed of light to measure the distance between heavenly bodies such as stars, sun and moon. So the distance between our sun and some other any other star in our galaxy would be noted in a unit called light. So speed of light is nothing but speed of light is just how much light travels in 1 year. So did you know what is the speed of light? Comment below. So light spreads in all direction. Like if you can see the sun is a ball of light and its light spread in all direction without any comparison, equally everywhere. And the second is light travels in a straight line. Light sorry right Light doesn't curve like any other object. It can be your book, cloth, anything, but light doesn't curve. So now the source of light. Source of light. Anything that gives us light is called a source of light. So there can be different source of light. So there are basic two source of light, which are first luminous object. Some objects emit their own light. Such objects are called luminous objects. Sun, star, candle, firefly, bulb are and neon lamps are some examples of luminous object. Luminous object can be natural or man-made source of light. So now let us know about natural source of light. So natural source of light are just light, anything that give or make light on their own without making them by humans. So some examples are sun, stars, fireflies, etc. Artificial or man-made luminous object. Bulb, candle, flashlight are some man-made or artificial source of light. In these cases, the filament, non-luminous object, are heated to make the objects glow. So basically, the man-made source of light are first of all made by humans. In this, the filament, are filling in the light bulb are heated so that they can glow. And now comes non-luminous object. So first of all, let me clear this. Non-luminous object also give light, but they do not emit their own light. So non-luminous object. In this night, we enjoy moonlight and the bright moon in the sky. But did we know that moon is not a luminous object? Then how does it appear so bright? So you must have once think that. So now the moon is a non-luminous object. Moon shines at night because it reflects the light of the sun falling on it. Sunlight falls on the sun on all planets like Earth in our solar system. These objects reflect sunlight in all directions. When they reflected light reaches our eyes, we see those objects. Hence object which do not emit their own light are called non-luminous object. Other examples of non-luminous object are table, chair, book, flower, anything that you can think of. So now let's start. Let's try one. So question 1 is fill in the blank. A. Sun and stars are. The answer is source of light. B. Moon is a dash. Moon is a non-luminous object. C. Dash is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Source of light can be natural or man-made or artificial, you can write. P. We see non-luminous object when the dash fall on our eyes. Light. We see non-luminous object when the reflected light falls on our eyes. So now question 2. Answer the following question in one or two sentences in your notebook. A. What are luminous objects? Luminous objects are the objects that make or emit their own light. It can be natural or man-made. B. What are non-luminous objects? Non-luminous objects cannot emit their own light but can reflect the light of luminous object. C. What is light? Light is a form of energy which enables us to see things around us. Light makes things visible to us. Moon looks bright all through. It is a non-luminous object. It's plain. So this I'll be not telling. Find it yourself, and I'll come in the next video with the topic transparent, translucent, and opaque object.